Hi everyone, it's Jeff here. In this video, I will show you how to change the turn lamps count by using the X431 ELITE 2.0 BBA in a orange and black colorway. As just shown in the video, the turn signal now flashes 3 times, and I will use the BMW Diagnostic software of these two to change to 5 times. Now let's do it. Before we make any changes to this car, it's recommended to back up the original car data, and we can restore the archived file at any time by using the second restore the backup vehicle coding data function. If you just make a few changes, you can just tap the function selection to personalize your car directly. In this function, you can scroll the screen to find the function that you want, and then tap the combo box below, like I choose 5 mode, which means 5 times in a German context. Just wait until it's refreshed.